Begin by opening the hood. You can reach the side marker bulb behind the headlight housing. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Line up the notches on the socket with the slots in the housing. Insert the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. The tab on the socket will be at the 10 o'clock position when installed. Now repeat those steps on the other side. Turn the socket counterclockwise to remove it. Pull out the incandescent bulb. Replace it with the LED and test it. Insert the socket and turn it clockwise to lock it. The tab on the socket will be at the 4 o'clock position when installed on the passenger side. The new amber yellow LED bulbs are much brighter than the incandescent bulbs.